try to find out yung iconic na spot. Ito, iconic na spot. So try naming papuntahan to, try naming hanapin kung saan to.
Ay, ang ganda na niya. Asa na?
Hindi lang ba dito?
Ay, ho. Ay, hindi ako na. Not so much.
No?
What can you say, my lover?
There's no elevator, my dad.
Third row. Keri lang?
Ano ba yan?
Wala ako nakasira. Unfortunately.
Sira.
Yeah.
Ayun guys, so not bad na for a hotel. So ngayon, pagod na kami. So, but tomorrow we'll try to wake up early morning to enjoy the magical boom. And makasama kayo namin. Makasama kayo namin. So, oh, diba? Malaki. Malaki ng space, guys. Cheap price. Not that really cheap, but okay na. And see? See that, guys? Imagine you're on the bathtub and then you're watching a television in here. Isn't that amazing? What a beautiful morning, guys. Really beautiful morning. See that? Sa hotel namin. Ganito yung view mo outside. Look at that. See that? See that? See that? That's how rich North Carolina with it terms to trees, foliage. Perfect, diba? Tapos kape-kape ka dito sa labas. Alrighty. It's a really good. Guys, ngayon magkakape kami. Actually breakfast here from our hotel, and then pupunta kami ng Rough Ridge. So we'll try to find out yung iconic na spot. Ito, iconic na spot. So try naming papuntahan to, try naming hanapin kung saan to, and then hopefully makapapicture kami. So alright guys, see you in a bit. Have some coffee, have some breakfast, and then see you later. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're going out. We already checked out on our hotel. And now, oh my G! Look at that! What can you say, my love? So bye-bye hotel. And now, oh look at that, guys! Look at that! Yeah. Ooh. It's really cold in here right now. the temperature is 52 degrees. So, huh?
Doon sa dulo.
Ano yan sa dulo?
Sa loob lang. Yan.
Oh, yan. Oh, yun. Let's go. Pag-gas muna tayo, guys. Sana yung cellphone ko? So, pag-gas muna tayo. Kahit yung car natin lumamig. Hanap muna tayo ng gas kasi mountain yung area na pupuntahan natin. Our mission right now to find that place, and maybe we're gonna be successful later. So I believe we need a hike, or we need to hike up there just for us to find that location, and hopefully
Wow.
mahanap
ganda.
natin.
University Village.
Alright, guys, so yun nga, before coming or going or searching that place, kailangan natin ng gas. It's because this is a mountain part of NC, so limited yung mga gas station. And that's our first order of business today. Let's go. Alright, so gas is done, guys. Are you ready? Let's go. See you there, guys. Yes, guys, this is North Carolina, guys. They said North Carolina is boring. No, look at this. Imagine, nothing beats the Lord's creation. So guys, parang it's like you're entering the tunnel of trees. Beautiful foliage. Look at that, guys, ulit. Perfect pag may camper ka din, see that, how aesthetic is that. See? Guys, paki-support ng our channel, guys, para maka-monetize din kami, guys, and makabili tayo ng ganyan, guys, camper. Look at that. Yan. So sana, guys, makasubscribe kayo.
Para makashow kami ng mas marami pang ganitong views for you guys, especially in North Carolina.
Oh, that was my leg, guys, perfection! Diba? Uy, dali nag-stop over na dalo!
Sige, kaya pa. Kaya pa yan. Ikot ka dito. Oh my goodness.
No! Pumapicture na siya! Price Lake. Picture tayo sa Price Lake. So, ito naman yung budol ng travel actually, guys. Pag may nakikita tayo, baba agad. So, it will take some time, but look at that view. Hindi ka ba dyan bababa sa ganyang kaganda? Ha?
Baba.
Ha? Hindi ka ba dyan bababa? Imagine that. So guys, if nagtatanong kayo if what place is this, it's called Price Lake. Diba? price lake kasi look at that lake. It's really priceless. Price lake. Imagine that. So, pwede na tayo magpicture dito. Bago dumami yung tao. Alright. So maganda dito guys, pasok lang kayo dito from the road, tapos pasok lang kayo dito, stop over, and then tara, bungad. So another budol guys of the day. Instead na diretso na tayo doon sa what you call this? Sa Rough Ridge. Nakita yung sikat din kasi to guys, yung parang taytay. It's like a bridge. It's called Linco Viaduct. So galing doon guys sa pinarkingan namin ng sasakyan, merong parang kung sa atin pa guys, it's called way, right of way. So sa gilid ng daan, para they put a footwalk or right of way just for you to see the view at the top. So ngayon, isa sa mga hotspot din dito, tourist spot. Stop over tayo ulit dito. And you will see it in 5, 4, 3, 2. Diba guys, aesthetic. Ito yung view na makikita nyo before mag-winter. So sweet guys. Gusto nyo dun sa dulo? Hal! Ato punta. You see that guys sa dulo? Ganda na tingnan, diba? Ang ganda! Pero sorry guys, kasi tinuro ko kailangan ganituhin. Ang bridge. Look at the bridge. Diba? Isn't that ang picture? Dapat picture din, Hal. Alright guys, so bababa tayo dito guys. Under the bridge. Ito guys, mas ang gandang view. Yan. Perfect. Dito Yun. Amazing. So pag pumunta kayo dito guys sa North Carolina, especially during fall, Blue Ridge is the key. And try nyo lang i-search. Sometimes update naman sila sa website kung kailan yung peak. Ang ganitong colors, the peak of these colors, the trees. Blue Ridge. You just search Blue Ridge and then tuloy-tuloy lang yon. And then madadaanan nyo lang to guys, and then stop. That's it. Alright guys, after immersing on that beautiful view, balik na kami kasi may mission pa rin tayo. Kinda delay, but trying to find that spot. Alright guys, so if you're gonna go to Rough Ridge, try to search Rough Ridge Parkside. If you search the Rough Ridge, you can't find it actually, so there's a close Parkside area. And then because it's easily get crowded, yung parking spot because it's very known. So doon kayo may secret or may parking tayo doon sa dulo. So you can use that parking side or parking spot if the parking area is full. So good thing it's 10 in the morning, weekday,
But it's
but still too many.
already.
Yeah, I think you wanna go early just for you to find a good spot for parking. Alright, so let's go up. You're ready for a small hike or trek? And I think we're ready. There it is. Bye. So of course there's instructions, there's things to read, but who do reading, right? So so now, or maybe guys, you can search this name Tanawa bala guys. Yan, see that? Tanawa ang beauty. Tanawa.
0.6 miles.
Ha? Wala ko nabasa.
And then na-research mo.
Something like that. So dito pa lang guys sa stairs. Pagod na kami. Kakapasok pa lang.
Oh God.
Alright.
Kita mo yun.
So last time we went on spring on Craggy Pinnacle. Now it's Tanawa Trail. I wish they have a restroom. So guys, according to my research, if you see this sign, you're gonna go to left, Lynn Cove or Beacon Heights. So alright, let's do it. We'll turn left. Watch your steps. Just be careful, guys. Ganda lang yung place. Ito yung mga hike natin, guys. So, it's gonna be fun. Yes, sir. I'll recommend bago pumunta dito guys, mag CR kayo muna para di kayo mahirapan, kasi I think there's no restroom in here. Hopefully there will be one at the top, but expect the worst, they said. Well, look at that. See? Punta na kayo dito guys. Punta na kayo dito. It's really good. Yun kanina guys, so yung bridge. Doon tayo kanina. Yan. So ngayon maganda yung spot dito magpa-picture. Base. So maganda yung view dito guys, pero hindi pa ito yung hinahanap natin. Babawala. Picture tana eh. See that stone? Isn't that amazing? Picture na dito. So guys, first stop is done. So pero sabi, pupunta pa tayo sa top. You go, Dal? I think guys, this is it. Look at that. Yeah, I think that's it. We're almost there. So I think that's it. I think malapit na tayo. Yan. Sana tama tayo. Yeah, kita nyo dyan guys, Kita nyo yan guys. Yan na yan, I think. You good? Yes guys, I think this is it. This is what we're looking for. Yep. Ito na yun. In this angle. sir. Yes, sir. Tingnan natin guys kung nakatsampo tayo na nakaupo doon. Ito siya guys, ah. Yan, kita niyo yan. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda. So, hanap pa kami ng picture perfect na location. Alright, but at least we found it. We found it. There we go. We found the spot, guys. So, ito yung picture. Alright guys, so photo ops done. So going back now guys. I think we're done. Mission accomplished for us. So we're heading down now. I think that's it. We really enjoyed the place. Alright, so nag level 2 complete na yung pareho pa kami ng damit. Go ahead ma'am. It's fine. More acrobatic, extreme action ng Mahakalya. Lapit na lang. Oo. Right. Just let you see this guys. It's called Rough Ridge. Alright, bye bye Rough Ridge. Bye bye Rough Ridge. Tanawa Trail. Hello. Konting lakad na lang guys. Yan nga, sabi nila mas mabilis yung pabalik kaysa sa papunta. So guys, comment anong mas gusto nyo, uphill or downhill pag nag-hike. Meron nagsasabi mas mahirap yung downhill kasi you're braking, you're trying to stop your walk, and others said it's harder if it's uphill because you're over stretching your legs. So comment downhill if downhill is harder for you guys, and comment uphill if uphill is much harder for you guys. Thank you. Alright guys, so that's it. We park here. Kung kita nyo kami lang kanina dalawa. Ngayon, they following. We're like 8 hunts following the leader. It's really a good walk. Doon siya guys, yung spot. Tapos continue nyo lang after ng parang board stairs or boardwalk. Next na yun na yan guys. Hindi naman siya nakakatakot actually. So, ganun nga guys. If afraid of heights kayo, I think still kaya yun. Hindi siya ganun hirap. Pa-angle lang pala guys. It's just you just need to find the angle that it looks like very steep or very high. Picture perfect spot siya guys. Now, uwi na kami. Rest. It's worth. Kung gusto nyo pang pumunta on other places, yes you can. There's a lot of spot in here. But kami for now, we're going back home to the place I belong. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Thank y'all.